Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine insert feature number 3, drawing, for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on insert and hover over drawing, I have two options. I can insert a brand new Google drawing, or I can insert a pre-existing Google drawing from Google Drive. For this tutorial, I'm going to insert a brand new drawing. Once this menu appears, I can search for a drawing on the internet in order to edit it to make it more informative for my Google Doc. So for example, I could select this image of a puppy, and I can now highlight aspects of this image in order to make it more informative. So for this tutorial, I'm going to highlight the nose of the puppy by selecting a shape, creating it over the puppy's nose, and then I can clear away the fill color and change the border color to make it more noticeable. I can also change the border weight. From here, I can insert a text box where I can write that this is the nose of the puppy. I can alter the size of my text box to match the size of my word, and I can even change the color of it in order to make it more noticeable within my Google drawing. From here, I can draw a line from the nose to the text box of the text so that anyone reading this image will be able to understand what is being highlighted. Now that I have made all of my changes, I must click on Save and Close in order for it to be inserted into the Google Doc. As such, Google Drawing can be very useful when used in conjunction with Google Docs because it can create more informative images for any documents that you need to make. If I wanted to remove this image, all I would have to do is select it and then delete it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.